Hey peeps, what's up? Munchie here, back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can install the official build of Pixel Experience based on Android 13 on the Poco X3 Pro. Now do note that the steps will remain the same if and when the Plus edition is released. For now we are going to use the normal build. Now what are the prerequisites for this video? Well, you do need to have an unlocked bootloader and you need to have TWRP Recovery installed. How do you unlock the bootloader? How do you install TWRP Recovery? Videos for those can be found in the description of this video. Next thing you need to make sure is that your battery is charged at least 50 to 60%. Do not, and I repeat, do not do this process if your battery is at 20 or 30%. Also make sure you have a backup of all your pictures, videos, and anything important which you have on your device, because we are going to perform a format data and you are going to lose all your pictures, videos, and anything important which you have on your device. So here it is. This is the Poco X3 Pro, which right now is running MIUI 13 based on Android 12. Now the steps will remain the same even if you are on a custom ROM which is based on AOSP. You just have to skip the steps which are not applicable to you. So first of all, we will go into settings, password and security, remove your screen lock, fingerprint, and face unlock. Once that is done, go back, go into Mi account and remove your Mi account. Once that is done, you can go back and then you will go into accounts and sync and remove your Google account. If you're running a custom ROM which is based on AOSP, then you will have to go into settings and then you will go into passwords and accounts and remove all the Google accounts associated with your device. Once that is done, you can go into the option of security and here and make sure to remove your fingerprint, face unlock. Now once you've removed all the accounts and security measures, make sure you reboot your device once. And before you ask me, hey Manchi, why are we removing all the accounts and security measures? We are doing this because we are going from one ROM to another and I don't want you to be locked out of your own device. In terms of the files which we need to install the official build of Pixel Experience Plus or normal edition based on Android 13 on the Poco X3 Pro, you need only one file, which is the ROM itself. And you should know that Pixel Experience comes with Google Apps baked in, so you do not have to flash Google Apps explicitly. The next thing we need to do is we are going to boot our Poco X3 Pro into a custom recovery. Me personally, I am using TWRP. If you're using Orange, Fox, or Pitch Black, the steps are the same. You just have to figure out how to perform the same steps in either Orange, Fox, or Pitch Black. So to boot your device into your custom recovery, all you need to do is press and hold the power button, and then we are going to say reboot. And as soon as the screen goes blank, we are going to press and hold the volume up button. So the screen went black, we are pressing and holding volume up button. We are going to see the Poco logo. Here it is, Poco logo. And then pretty soon we should boot into our custom recovery. Here it is, TWRP splash image. We are booting into our custom recovery. So here it is, we are in TWRP recovery. First of all, you will go into install and make sure you are able to access your internal storage. In case you're not able to access your internal storage, that means you do not have the correct version of TWRP installed, and videos for those can be found in the description of this video. Next thing is going to wipe, advanced wipe. Herein you need to select Dalvik, data, and cache. Once you have selected those three, swipe to wipe. Once that is done, tap on the home button. Next, go into install. Now this is our internal storage. Navigate to the folder where you have transferred the official build of Pixel Experience based on Android 13 on your Poco X3 Pro, whether it be the normal edition or the Plus edition. If you downloaded the file on your phone directly, it will be in the download folder. If you transferred it manually, you would know the location. Next up, select the ROM itself and then swipe to confirm flash. Now once the ROM has flashed successfully, make sure there were no errors, and as you can see over here, we did not get any errors. Everything was flashed without any issues. Script succeeded, result was 1. Next up, tap on the home button, go into wipe, select format data, type in yes, and then tap on the check mark on the bottom right. Do note that format data will result in wiping out of all your pictures, videos, anything important which you have on your device. So make sure you do have a backup of all those things. And then the next thing we are going to do is select reboot system. And there it is. We do have the Google boot animation on our Poco X3 Pro, which means we are booting into the official build of Pixel Experience based on Android 13. And as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, the process will remain the same for both the normal and the Plus edition. Here it is. Welcome to your Pixel. Let me skip the initial setup real quick. And here it is. This is Pixel Experience based on Android 13, installed successfully on the Poco X3 Pro, Android 13 in the building, and you have your Play Store, you have your Google Photos as well. And that will do it for this video. Hope my video helped you. Likes, shares, and subscribes are appreciated. Feedback and comment more than welcome. See you when I see you.